Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below. We will make a small changes in our food model, and the change is going to be we have the price, but here instead of price we want to go with string actual price, and the other is going to be discounted price. Okay, so here we will generate constructor, generate JSON serialization. Okay, so we have already attached a lot of data onto our Firebase, but still we want to move ahead with this too. So we will again go to restaurants app, go to food model, and here we will go with discounted price and actual price. Copy this one, come back here and paste this too. We will go with constructor and then JSON serialization. Okay, so here we do have this menu screen, and here instead of price it should be actual price. And another thing which we are looking forward is that in menu screen of Uber restaurant app, make sure it's Uber restaurant app. So in menu screen here we do have the actual price tab. So we will go here and wrap it with a column, copy this entire text, paste here, and it's going to be discounted price, and here it's going to be body 14. Here we will go with dot copy with decoration, and it's going to be text decoration dot line through. And another thing which we want to update here is color, and it's going to be gray, and we are good. Now let's copy the entire column from here. We will go to add food item, and here we do have discounted price, and another parameter which we do have to add here is actual price. So let's go to food price controller, copy this size box, go to the top, and instead of food price controller we will go with two controllers here, text editing controller, actual price controller equals text editing controller, and another one is going to be discounted price controller. Here we do have first will come up is actual price controller, the next we will go for discounted price controller. Price, actual food price, and it's going to be discounted price. Discounted food price. Now we have to head back to the bottom, and here it's going to be actual food price controller dot text dot trim, and here it's going to be discounted food price controller dot text dot trim. Now let's save it, and we have to do a little bit of changes in our Firebase. So we'll go to Firebase database, and inside of food, as you can see, we have listed out a lot of food items. Okay,
So we have to just update this parameter and add actual food price parameter. We have updated the actual price and discounted price for all of the food items, and you have to do the same. So we will head back to our Uber Eats. Make sure you are on Uber Eats. We will go to browse screen, and here at the bottom we have the price. So it's going to be discounted price. And here we do have in food details screen, we will go with discounted price instead of previous price. We will go to particular screen. Here also we'll go with discounted price. Now let's restart the application and have a look onto it. On restarting, we have fetched the entire food item. So there is another thing which we are looking forward is that displaying the actual price here. So we will head over to views. We are in Uber Eats project right now. We will head over to view, and inside of it we will go to particular restaurant menu screen. Okay, here we do have the discounted price, but we want to wrap this with a column and copy this entire thing, paste here, and instead of discounted price it's going to be actual price. We will go with body 14, and dot copy with, we will go with decoration, and it's going to be text decoration dot line throw, and we will go with color gray. Let's save this one and let's have a look. Okay, here we have the price cut down, and here it shows the actual price. So after the price cutoff, we want to show how much percentage of discount it is giving us. So we'll wrap it with a row. Let's have a look. Let's do one thing. Let's display the discount here. So we have the row here. We will go with text. And here we'll go with food data dot actual price minus food data dot discounted price. We will enclose it divided by food data dot actual price, and we have got the percentage here. Now okay, we have to make it an integer, so we'll go with in dot parse, copy this one, cut this one, paste here. Here again we will go with in dot parse, cut the discounted price, paste here, and here we'll go with in dot parse. We will cut down this actual price. It's going to be food data or actual price, and now we will wrap this entire thing with another bracket. After wrapping it, we will go with into 100. Again we will wrap it with another back bracket, and we will go with dot round dot to string. Let's save it, and here is our entire code. Okay, so basically it is rounding to the discounted percentage. So let's have a look. It goes for 26, 29, like how much percentage of discount we are getting on this revised price in compared to the actual price. So here instead of and, we will just remove this and we will go with space between. We will go with styling style. Let's go for App text style 14 bold will be a good one. And here we'll go with cross-axis alignment. Cross-axis alignment dot center. Let's save it. Okay. Another thing we want to add is a percentage symbol here. After this toString, we will go with a plus, and here we will add percentage. So let's not go with this way. Let's go with somewhat like curly braces will be a good one. And here we have to add this. And before that, we will go with off, offer 20%. Let's remove this offer. And after this text, we want to wrap this text with a widget, and that's going to be a row. After this text, we will go with size box with, let's go for 2.w, and then here we will introduce font awesome icon, font awesome icons dot discount, or you can say tag. Tag color, let's go for green 200. Okay, so instead of green 200, we want to go with the color success. And here, as you can see, we have a tag that is 20% discount you are getting on this, 28% discount you are getting on this, and it's good now. Now let's check for other. Let's go for Pizza Hut. It shows us how much percentage of discount we are getting here. Now let's go for particular screen, and here we have to display the same thing. So we will go to particular food screen, that food details screen. Here we will wrap it with a column. Let's go back, and we will just simply copy this entire column. Go to food details screen and replace it with this one. And what is the data here? Widget dot food. It's going to be widget dot food model. Let's copy the same thing from here and paste it here. Now let's save it and let's have a look. Okay, here is our actual price. Here is our, what you can say, discounted price. And we want to go with a box here, like above this row. Above this row, we will introduce size box, height. Let's go for 4.h again, add a comma, and here we will go with container. Height, I will go for 8.h. Width, I will go for 100.w. Decoration, we will go with box decoration. Border radius, it's going to be border radius dot circular. Let's go for 5.sp. Let's save it, and now let's have a look. Okay, here we will go with color, and it's going to be green 200. Let's have a look. And here we'll go with child, and it's going to be a row. We will go back to particular restaurant menu screen, and from here we will copy this row, the discount percentage logics code. Come back to food details screen, and inside the container we will paste this. So instead of food data, it's going to be widget dot we will search for food data. We have three instances. We will go with widget dot food model and replace all. Now let's save it and let's have a look. Okay, so instead of color black, we will go with dot copy with color white. Now let's save it and we have to go with white. Yeah, let's save it and let's have a look. Okay, it's the black was more good. Black. Let's save it and we are good. We have to introduce a little bit of padding here. Padding edge insets dot symmetric horizontal. Let's go for 5.w. Let's save it and we are good. It shows we are getting a 26% discount. We can add up and we can order now. Here is our actual price, discounted price, and it's good now.
Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below.